নমস্কার, মনীষাস ক্রিয়েশনের পক্ষ থেকে আমি মনীষা আবার চলে এসেছি। অনেকদিন বাদে তোমাদের সাথে দেখা হলো। একটা মাঝে একটা লম্বা গ্যাপ, মানে বলতে পারো আগের পুজো থেকে একদম একটা লম্বা গ্যাপ নিয়েছি। এই টাইমটা আমি আমার ফেসবুক পেজে একটু অ্যাক্টিভ ছিলাম, ওইটাই হচ্ছে রেগুলার লাইভ হয়েছে, কিন্তু তোমাদের ইউটিউবের বন্ধুরা যারা রয়েছে তাদের সাথে আমার খুব একটা দেখা হয়নি। এবার থেকে ইউটিউবটা আমি নতুনভাবে নিয়ে আসছি। এটা থাকবে ফ্যাবুলাস 5, মানে 5টা করে, কারণ খুব শর্ট হচ্ছে যে ভিডিও করব, 5টা করে শাড়ি দেখাবো, একবার এক একটা করে দেখাবো। তো সেই 5টায় থাকবে ডিসকাউন্ট থাকবে, সেটাই হচ্ছে যে তোমাদের কুরিয়ার চার্জটা ফ্রি থাকবে। তো অনেক কিছু অফার থাকবে, তার জন্য তোমরা চটপট করে হচ্ছে একদম ইউটিউবে আমার যে চ্যানেলটা রয়েছে এটাকে একটু সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দাও, আর তার সাথে তোমাদের বন্ধুদের পাওয়ার জন্য একটু শেয়ার করে দাও। এটুকু তোমাদের কাছে আমার ডিমান্ড বলতে পারো। তোমাদের মনীষা দি বা তোমাদের বন্ধু মনীষার ডিমান্ড এটা, যে এইটাকে তোমাদের একটু সাপোর্ট, কারণ ফেসবুক পেজে তোমরা ভীষণ সাপোর্ট করো, তা না হলে আমি ফেসবুক পেজে এত অ্যাক্টিভ থাকতেই পারতাম না। কিন্তু এবার কিন্তু ইউটিউবটার পালা, তো সুতরাং একটু ঝটপট করে একটুখানি লাইক করবে, সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে। তোমরা আর কি ফ্যাবুলাস 5-এ তোমরা দেখতে চাও সেটা একদম আমাকে জানিয়ে দেবে। তো আমি প্রত্যেকবার নতুন করে হচ্ছে নতুন শাড়ি নিয়ে আসব, অনেক অফার নিয়ে আসব, এবং মোটামুটি খুব চেষ্টা করব প্রত্যেক শুক্রবার দিন এটা আপলোড করতে। আর ততক্ষণ অবধি তোমরা শাড়িগুলো দেখতে থাকো, কমেন্টস করে জানাও কি টাইপের শাড়ি তোমরা আরও দেখতে চাও। Welcome to my YouTube channel Monisha's Creation. Now I am going to show silk mix and match and tussar mix and match with Fabulous 5 with more discount and absolutely free courier charges all over India. Number 1, this is a pure Murshidabadi 3-ply silk with acid. Color is first part of the sarees, pallu portion is black with red lotus and green leaf, with totally handwork, hand Gujarati, totally with all over handwork, hand Gujarati with mirror work. First part of the sarees, this is pallu portion with black color base color and with lotus, red lotus with leaf, greeny leaf. Then the second part of the sarees starting with yellow, and then upper portion with vermilion red and black stripe. All of the sarees with hand Gujarati with mirror. This is a very beautiful sarees, and all over lower portion yellow color with black leaf, and on the hand Gujarati with mirror. All over sarees, first part of the sarees, second part of the sarees, which is end up to patli portion. This portion covered with your upper part, with your body's upper part, with all over Gujarati. And this is the third portion of the sarees, totally artistic design and designer piece. This is patli portion. This is patli portion with triangle design, yellow and black with lotus motif, and yellow portion covered with hand Gujarati, and all over the red portion with buta, with handwork, buta with mirror work and hand Gujarati. Please show the back portion of the sarees. Now you can see the back portion of the sarees, that you can understand it is totally handwork. It's totally handwork. This is the last portion of the sarees, red portion, and last one is blouse piece, and you can get a Gujarati border with your sleeves. Okay, this is first saree, which is actual price is 5890, which is actual price is 5890. After a fabulous discount, after discount price is 5006 with silk mark. Obviously this silk is with silk mark. Discounted price is 5006 with we have no delivery charges. I mean, we have no courier charges all over India. Now I am going to show second saree. This is Tasar mix and match. This material is Tasar mix and match. Please show the silk mark. Silk mark to show kore de. Now you can see we are silk mark affiliated. This is silk mark. First portion of the sarees. This is the pallu portion with framing a gorgeous block which is called Pipli block. It's 4 colors block on the middle of the sarees, and every block's middle like a mirror. It's a mirror work, and it's framing with Gujarati stitch. It's framing with Gujarati stitch. It's pallu portion designed with black, red and off-white. Now we are showing the second part of the sarees. I mean body portion of the sarees. All over sarees, all over sarees with same volume. Middle portion of the sarees is red, which is designed by Gujarati stitch with mirror work, which is more gorgeous and more fantastic. And upper and lower border, agar portion ta dekha. Upper border is somehow a sleek border, and lower portion is a broad border with Pipli blocks, and every blocks middle with mirror work setting. And first just a panel work. First part is white with Pipli block, and second portion with second panel is zigzag block, and second portion with zigzag block. All over sarees like this. Third poretta shesh obdi dekhao. Entire saree is like this. With Gujarati buta, with mirror work. It's a intricate handwork, and the most beautiful part is its blouse portion. Its most beautiful part is blouse portion. Blouse portion is totally with Pipli block. This is 4 color block with Gujarati outline. This is you can get it with. This is material is Tasar. Its price is actual price is 6200. After discount 5580. After discount 5580. We have no courier charges. This is the fabulous second piece. Now we are going to show the third number. Third number is pure silk, pure Murshidabadi 3-ply silk with silk mark, with acid painting, with Gujarati work. This saree is color is golden yellow, just a very beautiful shining golden yellow color with maroon and floral and birds hand painting. It's a free hand painting, acid painting with pallu portion and both side border with acid, and middle portion all over work Gujarati. It's a without mirror Gujarati. It's a without mirror Gujarati. This is the first portion of the sarees, and first portion of the sarees is pallu portion. Then you can now see the second portion, I mean body portion, and all over saree going like this. All over saree, I mean full sarees like this type. More and more buta with all over. This is third portion. All over sarees with this Gujarati stitch. Now we can show the blouse portion of the sarees. Blouse is totally shocking orange color. Blouse is totally shocking color with border and Gujarati stitch. It is also silk mark. Its regular price is 5850 after discount. 5890 after discount 5006. After discount 5006, we have no courier charges. Only you can take a screenshot and send me in my WhatsApp number 91238424000. I repeat my number 91238424000. Just take a screenshot and send me in my WhatsApp number for booking. If you choose any of this saree, please send me a screenshot. Payment method is Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm and bank transfer. Now we can show the third number of the sarees. This is a very beautiful block pure silk. This is a very beautiful block pure silk. First part of the sarees, and also it's a silk mark. First part of the sarees, at first a red border and then a black border and then a leaf motif with designed by every leaf motif on the mirror work. Every leaf motif on the mirror work. Then the a black portion with totally Gujarati stitch. Achol to dekha. It's totally Gujarati stitch with mirror work. Then the stripe block. You can see the back portion of the sarees, that you can understand that it is a totally handwork. Now the stripe border, then the chessboard block, then the chessboard block. Then the chessboard block, then the yellow portion with designed by Gujarati stitch. Then the yellow portion designed by red and white yellow stitch with black Gujarati stitch border. Then again stripe portion. Then we can show the body portion of the sarees, white. Body portion of the sarees white with leaf border and a very beautiful square block. Every leaf block with mirror work. Every leaf block with mirror work and Gujarati buta. And Gujarati buta all over, black and red. Black and red Gujarati buta all over. This is second portion of the sarees. And all sarees, my all sarees finish with cord piping. My all sarees finish with cord piping. Now this is the striking portion. It's a patli portion. Patli portion designed by black and red stripe and chessboard block with Gujarati stitch. It's a amazing design, and when you wear, you can looks exclusive. You can get exclusive looks. Now this is the patli portion. You can see. Then patli portion border with Gujarati with mirror work. Yes. Then now we show the third portion. Pechoner dikta dekhiye dao. This is the last portion of the sarees. This is the last portion of the sarees, same as first portion of the sarees, same as body portion of the sarees. This is with Gujarati buta. Now this is the blouse piece. It's a vermilion red blouse piece, totally another color which is more gorgeous to enhance your looks. It's a red blouse piece with black and white Gujarati border. Gujarati black and white Gujarati border with mirror work. Its price is, regular price is 5600. after discount 4950. Regular price is 5600. After discount 4950. It is also a you can get silk mark, and we have no courier charges. Now we can show our last shari for Fabulous 5. It's a very beautiful pure silk with acid painting, with acid freehand painting, which is pallu portion and border is same design. First part of the sarees is pallu portion, which is designed by flower and leaf, just like body just base color is firoza. Base color is firoza, just like flower is on the water. Just like to see flower is on the water. This is pallu portion. Pallu portion, every flowers intricate with mirror work. Every flower intricate with mirror work. একটা mirror work ধরে আঁচলের এটা দেখিয়ে দাও। Every flower intricate with hand mirror. Okay. Then this is first part of the sarees. Then this is first of the sarees with border acid painting, and all over middle portion with greenish leaf green color with more and more Gujarati buta, more and more Gujarati buta all over the sarees, all over the sarees. This is first portion of the sarees. Then second part of the sarees this type. একটু কুচি দিয়ে দেখাও। If you wear this sarees, it's like কুচি দিয়ে। This is actually pleat portion, I mean partly portion. Yes, this is the pleat partly portion, and then third portion of the sarees. Actually this is the all over saree, same volume work and same border running, same volume work and same border running. This is blouse. This is blouse portion with costa border, I mean yellow and off-white border with Gujarati stitch, with Gujarati stitch. This is the last this was last sarees. Its price was 5900. This price was 5900. After discount 5100. We have no courier charges. So this episode, if you like, please share and like this my YouTube channel, and if you choose any of these sarees, then please take a screenshot and send me in my WhatsApp number 91238 42400. Okay, thank you.